Lift your home's street appeal with ALU1's UV stabilised garage door restoration and protection services. Step 1. Our restoration and protection process starts with a surface clean, removing dirt and debris, exposing the oxidised layer for Stage 2 correction. Step 2. Over time, your garage door's powder coating oxidises, taking on a chalk-like look and powdery feel, significantly reducing its lustre and protection. Step 2 of our process addresses the build-up of oxidisation, preparing the surface for bonding of the ALU1 UV stabilised protective coating. Step 3. Following oxidisation removal, your ALU1 technician will apply a cleaning solution to ensure the surface is smooth and even in finish. Step 4. Prior to the application of your ALU1 UV stabilised protective ceramic coating, your ALU1 technician will apply a final rinse solution over the surface and dry the door, ready for bonding to the ALU1 product. Step 5. Applied by hand for the thickest possible protection. Your ALU1 technician evenly layers the protective ceramic coating, allowing it to soak into and seal the powder coating, forming a strong layer of UV stabilised protection. Be confident in the backing of our 10-year product performance warranty with over 30 years of providing quality protective coatings for Kiwis. ALU1 UV stabilised protective coatings are a product of Duraseal, proudly manufactured by TF Group New Zealand. For more information on ALU1 in your area, please visit www.alu1.co.nz.